Thank you to Collingswood for letting us have this here, for supporting your bike share, for putting this out here, all the great restaurants that came and supported this. Thank you very much, everybody, for making this show happen.
Come on, let's play some rock and roll. Come on, everybody, let's see some hands. Waiting for the man. $26 in my hand. Head up to Lexington and 125. I'm just looking for a good friend of mine. I said, oh, I'm waiting for the man. For the man. Waiting for the man. Hey, white boy, what you doing uptown? Hey, white boy, chasing all the women around. I'm so sorry, I got my tail. I'm just looking for a woman. I said, I'm waiting for the man. I'm waiting for the man. I'm waiting for the man. Here he comes, all dressed in black. Pitbull shoes and a beautiful hat. Yeah. He's never early, he's always late. One thing that you learn is that you always gotta wait. I said, I'm waiting for the man. I'm waiting for the man. I'm waiting for the man. Come on, play some guitar, please. Oh, Scottish Rite Theater, what do you guys think of Candy Volcano tonight? The greatest band in the Milky Way galaxy. Ooh, a gravestone of 3 flights of stairs. No one stops you 'cause nobody cares, yeah. Ain't gonna stop you, give you sweet taste. One thing that you love is that you always gotta wait. I said, I'm waiting for the man. I'm waiting for the man. I'm waiting for the man. Here he comes. Oh, Joe Seal on the lead guitar, everybody. Let's hear it for this gentleman. I'm waiting for the man. $26 in my hand. Head up to Lexington and 125. I'm just waiting for a good friend of mine. I said, oh yeah, I'm waiting for the man. 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 Thank you guys so much, Candy Volcano.
Thank you! Eric 13!